Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can connect Squarespace domain to Netlify. So the first thing that you have to do is to visit app.netlify.com and sign in. So once you're in, you just have to select your deployed site, then navigate to site settings, click on domain management and add custom domain. So once you're there, you just have to enter your Squarespace domain name. So that can be your domain.com. So the Netlify will provide DNS records that you need to add in the Squarespace. Next is to log into Squarespace, then go to the settings, tap on domains, and then click on the DNS settings. So once you're there, you just click on add record to start adding the Netlify's DNS records. Next is to add a record pointing to Netlify's IP, so which is this one. You can just copy this one. And you also have to add CNAME record for www pointing to your site .netlify.op. So after that, you just have to save all changes. Lastly is to wait for DNS propagation, so that will take up to 48 hours. So in Netlify, you just have to verify domain is active, then enable the HTTPS, then your Squarespace domain will now point to Netlify. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! And lower upfront costs.